hey, when ulebo and that woman, apartment yabo, when he called me, adlala ngami ethi ufuna silungise izinto, ngamwashela the following day. Mase ngihambisa iy'mpahla kanti the woman is there. He allowed me to get into the house. It got physical. The woman almost killed me. And my husband witnessed that thing. I kept on saying, sorry. Police. He was there. Good background. I got threatened. I'm fighting the video because I want to expose that woman. You forgot the video because I'm pleading to social media people, especially women. You can never attack another woman because I was going through in. I'm gonna put it not because I want to expose my ex, not because I want to ruin things for him, but he knows I've been quiet, and I feel like this is every now and then pop out. People, ngibenzeni icala yini kanti ukuthanda umuntu ungazi ukuthi uthanda isiphukuphuku. Ngikho lapho ingakho ngithi the universe and God one day they will answer for me, and I don't want people to say things. I don't want people to do anything about this as much as I didn't do anything about it. Ngicela niyekeleni kwabantu abaziyo ngoba uClever uzomthola uClever. I'm gonna move on, and actually I've moved on. I'm happy where I am because now I understand and at least I don't have to deal with this anymore. I am out of the misery that almost killed me. When I tell people that I dodged the bullets, this is what I'm talking about. Eventually she let go of me, a Puma, and I even said to the both of them, this is the last time that you are going to see me. I am taking myself out of this situation, and I wish you the best of luck. Oh, the supervisor's here. But yeah, guys, ngiyacela kuko konke ngicela ukuthi sidlulise lento tseliki, and I think ngisazoyihamba
delela uzofika la uzongishaya, and I'm trying ngiyakhiya so that ungangeni. Uyangena wena uyangibona kwakho mina ngoba ngi-invite u okay in why ungithuka manje ngikwenzeni mina asikisi ini why ungenza kanje ngizobhlungu so mawuzuba ubhlungu mina ngicanga ukuthi ngifila kanjani asikisi mfethu why ufika la ungishaya manje ngikwenzeni asikisi mfethu in my whole life lento eyenzakala ayikaze yenzakala asikisi mangakubophisa la uzojabula uzoyenza ngani awuyadelela mbani ngeke ungangibambi ngeze ivisho.
I didn't have that video. Benganayo because ubona bebangishuta. Into engizosubhluku ngale video. Yabona ngisho noma kuthiwa intombi yakho ama-girlfriend wakho wethu adibene ayalwa, ngeke as a boyfriend ubabhekelele, you would do something. But le ndoda yangilobola was literally standing there, and I said sorry, and he was like, sorry yani wena, sorry yani wena. Ngibenzeni icala yini kanti ukuthanda umuntu ungazi ukuthi uthanda isiphukuphuku. Ngikho lapho ingakho ngithi the universe and God one day they will answer for me, and I don't want people to say things. I don't want people to do anything about this as much as I did.